I don't think that there is nothing more annoying than trying to find the right natural hair products. I know it can be difficult spending money trying to find the right natural hair products when beginning your natural hair journey. I have a method to show you all how to find the right natural hair products and save money. So here's how you can view the materials in the description box on my channel by clicking the small arrow here on the right hand side of the screen. Here, the drop box will drop down and you will see materials for this video. The most important thing is knowing your hair porosity, which is how well your hair absorbs water. So this is how you do a hair porosity test. I start off with pouring a small amount of water into a glass. Then using a brush or you can use a comb to get a strand of hair to do the hair porosity test. Put the strand of hair in the water and then add water. Soon you will see that your hair will float high, float in the middle, or will sink. So here are the final results. For my test, I have high porosity hair because my hair sank to the bottom. For a better understanding, here's a hair porosity chart. Feel free to screenshot to keep or pause the video to read. After you determine your hair porosity, you will then search products that are in your category, such as high porosity hair products, medium porosity hair products, or low porosity hair products. If you have color, make sure the product is color friendly. Thank you for tuning into my channel. See you all next time for natural hair tips.